Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss teniasis. After the ascariasis, it is our third helminthes disease. Disease caused by helminthes. So teniasis word refers to the intestinal infection of tapeworm. Teniasis word refers to the intestinal infection of tapeworm. Tapeworm is again a parasite that will multiply in our intestine and it will show infection in intestine. That's why the name is given intestinal infection of tapeworm. So the causing agent of teniasis is tapeworm, and three parasitic species of tapeworm causes teniasis. These three species are first is Taenia solium, second is Taenia saginata, and third is Taenia asiatica. So major three parasite species are there that causes teniasis, but the impact of Taenia saginata and Taenia asiatica is very uncommon in human. So these two species does not affect the human that much. Only rare cases are there. So teniasis is mainly caused by Taenia solium. Taenia solium parasite is main responsible for teniasis. Mode of infection of teniasis is by ingestion of contaminated food and water. That food or water that contains the eggs of parasite, eggs of Taenia solium. Second, it is caused by eating undercooked or raw beef and pork. By eating undercooked or raw beef or pork, that beef or pork infected with the eggs of a tapeworm, and tapeworm is a Taenia solium. So by these two ways mode of infection takes place and a person get a teniasis. Incubation period, this tapeworm can remain in body for a long period, for years also, but in general incubation period is 10 to 12 weeks. It multiplies in various organs of the body, in intestine, in liver, in lungs, and it may reach up to central nervous system also. So depending where it multiplies, symptoms will appear. Symptoms are usually a person suffering from teniasis remain unaffected, no symptom appear for years. But when symptoms appear, symptom starts with abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting. If parasite remain in body for a long time, then constipation also takes place. blockage of intestine, the common symptoms are abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting, constipation, blockage of intestine, unexpected body weight loss, unexpected body loss. And this disease can be confirmed in patient when worms or eggs appear in a stool, fecal matter. That is also symptom, appearance of eggs in stool, appearance of a tapeworm or eggs in a stool. Stool is our fecal matter, right? But the serious condition arises when this parasite Taenia solium enters in our central nervous system. If it enters in a central nervous system, then it causes neurological problems. If parasite enters in central nervous system, attacks on central nervous system, and then neurological problems arise, and a term is given for neurological problem, that is cysticercosis. Cysticercosis is the medical term given to the teniasis when pathogen attacks on central nervous system, and it is characterized by seizures, epileptic seizures, or we can say epilepsy takes place. So that is the most critical symptom of teniasis. And it appears only when parasite attacks on a central nervous system. 30% of cases of teniasis ends in epileptic seizures. They suffer from epilepsy. What is the treatment? Possible treatment of teniasis? Treatment, again, use of antihelminthes, treatment involves use of antihelminthes drugs or antihelminthes salts, medicines. Medicine involves 1 dose of 1 dose of praziquantel. 1 dose is sufficient to cure the patient from teniasis. Praziquantel is quite effective to cure teniasis. And 3 dose of albendazole. Three doses of albendazole are given to the patient at regular 3 days, 3 consecutive days, and 3 doses of albendazole is given. Then this symptom will disappear slowly, and the person will be free from teniasis. And the person living in tropical areas like Latin America, Asia, they are at more risk to get teniasis because of poor sanitization is there in tropical countries and in Asia. Prevention is better than cure. Wash hands. It is separated by eating undercooked food, so food must be cooked properly. That's for teniasis, right? Important is main parasite is Taenia solium, and the word cysticercosis. This is the medical term given to the patient when a parasite attacks on a central nervous system, and possible treatment is praziquantel. 1 dose is given and 3 dose of albendazole at regular 3 consecutive days, 3 dose of albendazole. So that's it for our third disease, that is teniasis, that is caused by helminthes. I hope you would understand it.